Stop scrolling. If you're tired of fake gurus draining your wallet and you want the truth about building real passive income online, in the next few minutes you'll see why most marketers fail, how to avoid their mistakes, and the exact leverage points that can turn a side hustle into a compounding business. Miss this and you could lose for years. And here's why you'll want to stay until the very end. We're revealing a bonus that solves the 3 biggest struggles people face: getting traffic, turning that traffic into leads and even sales, and creating duplication so your team can win too. If you're serious about building income online, this is your moment. This is the Home Business Academy Premium Review: honest pros and cons. Now here's the truth nobody tells you. Most make money online programs collapse because they're built on hype, not systems. They promise freedom but deliver frustration. You've seen it: the flashy funnels, the endless screenshots, and the fake upsells. HBA Premium claims to be different. A complete ecosystem with tools, training, and community designed to help you win. But the real question is, does it deliver, or is it just another shiny object? Stay with us because this is where most people get it wrong. Let's strip it down to the bare essentials: a funnel builder, hosting, email integrate, daily mastermind, step-by-step affiliate education, and a library covering traffic conversions, email marketing, and mindset. Membership accountability, and peers who actually want you to win. Residual affiliate commissions: you get paid every month a customer stays. That's the structure: simple, scalable, built for duplication. And unlike most platforms, it's not theory, it's execution. At Freedom Fest 2025, HBA rolled out upgrades most companies would charge triple for. Unlimited streams of income inside one ecosystem, premium stays affordable, and 80% commissions are still locked in. The Let's Go app upgrades now fuel daily success operating system. And multiple user accounts. One membership serving up to 7 or 8 people in the Let's Go app. That's not hype. That's structure. That's scale. And here's where integrity shows up. Let's say I just got paid again for a level that I wasn't even qualified at before. The company reached out and said, "You've got an opportunity to get paid for Let's Go. Here's the deadline. Do you want to make money or not?" And I'll show you where that works right. Give me a second. See, we were in the process of paying commissions and know she has commissions owed on a product that you currently do not own. Let's Go app. So, to ensure you don't miss out on the commission, if you want to purchase the product in question by this Monday at midnight, we will process with paying out your commission. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your excellent efforts in spreading the word. All the best, the HBA team. So they contacted me and said, "Hey, do you want to make this money or not?" They could have kept it for themselves, but they didn't. HBA didn't. They gave me a chance to step up and claim it. That's integrity in action. And it proves something bigger. If someone you refer upgrades to premium, you'll have the same opportunity to add that extra $100 a month just by upgrading yourself. I only need one more person to be in pure profit mode at yet another level. That's the Let's Go app level. That's leverage, that's duplication, that's freedom in action. So I'm already in profit mode overall. 2 funnel builder sales pay me residually every month. Recently, another lead reached out to me and said he'd been watching my videos. This isn't somebody I knew, not a Facebook friend, but someone I've never even heard of. That's the power of ranking and attraction marketing. And it's not the first time someone texted me. They joined Simple Freedom Warriors, added more training for themselves, and I got paid at 50% commissions for 3 levels instantly. That same person said he'd been watching for a while and planned to join HBA soon. Weeks later, they did that. funnel builder level, Let's Go app, and then the company reached out to again. That's proof of two things. HBA has quality products and HBA has integrity. These are residual income streams that keep growing as I follow the exact training inside Simple Freedom Wars. Training I'm handing to you on a silver platter when you lock arms with me. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, okay, in a couple reasons. So here, wallet transfer, $34.50. Remember these numbers. An e-wallet transfer of $83.05, and an e-wallet, this is an actual recurring subscription, so I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to transfer the money, it automatically came in there for $6.50, okay? So we're going to look at that in my online banking, okay? It logged me out, but I'll be there in just a minute, hopefully. So just bear with me. Alright. So that's the $6.50, that's the $34.50, and that's the $83.05. See, these are payouts that are going to keep happening, okay? The residual income streams, okay? Now let's get brutally honest. HBA for the pros. HBA has affordable entry point compared to competitors. Residual incomes that stack over time. Strong membership culture. You're not left guessing. Tools and training bundled in one place. Daily masterminds keep you accountable. And these are the Freedom Fest upgrades. Unlimited income streams, no price hikes, 80% commissions, the Let's Go app, and multiple user accounts inside the Let's Go app. So you could have 7 people putting their goals in there. You could make, different accounts, and they all could stay with, get busy with the health and wellness, which is super important, okay? And personal proven training that, again, I'm handing to you on a silver platter if you lock arms with me at the $25 level, that I use every single day to dominate YouTube rankings and even on Google. And this is integrity from the owners. They give you opportunities to earn more, not less, and I showed you proof of that. Now the cons, it requires a consistent effort. No shortcuts. I'm not telling you you're going to just sit on some fake, under some fake guru and make $4,000 a month for doing nothing. That's bullshit, okay? It doesn't happen, okay? Smaller ecosystem than ClickFunnels or Kajabi. Success depends on applying the training, not just joining. And if you're looking for a done-for-you system, this isn't it. It works, but you have to work it, okay? So the real question is, do the pros outweigh the cons for you? Because the opportunity is real, but only if you're ready to execute, okay? To do that, you want to build your own list, okay? To stand out from the rest. You get started with me. It takes you to a page like this. You put your first name in here, put your best email, and hit yes, I want in. That'll take you to a page like this, okay? With my video. Has my real phone number. You can text me or call me, preferably text, but you do what you want. Okay, and then when you click on this yes I want in, it takes you to the actual HBA page. Okay, this is what you'll see, and as you can see, it's my domain. Okay, I'm building my list, and we give you 450 different emails you can plug into the system and build know, like, and trust with anybody. Okay, and this is the training right here. So this link is for beginners who do not have the branded funnel set up yet. Okay. And we have a way for you can earn anywhere from $3.50 to $3.50 to $1,500 instantly. Let's say somebody comes in and buys a duplication formula for $3,000. You get paid $1,500 even if at the beginning level. Doesn't matter what level you're in, okay? That's amazing, and that's a serious training, okay? This is not no cookie cutter system. On this build phase, we show you how to do exactly everything you need to drive traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, now I want to show you quickly ranking proof. Okay, so you're not just saying. As you can see, I'm in incognito mode. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Home Business Academy. Let's Go app review. Okay, one of my newest videos. Alright, and you can see it loaded, and the number one is Postcard Lifestyle. This is an ad, does not count, and that's a team member of ours. And Make Money On with JJ, there's me right there from 2 days ago, right? Here's another, but those aren't our team members. But I'm not going to stay focus on this very long. Another Postcard Lifestyle. Another Andrew Guthrie. That's a team member. Okay, you'll see a lot of him. Postcard Lifestyle, Andrew Guthrie. So you can see this is working. Our team is winning. And when I substitute, show you this, think about you and your team, okay? So I already went, what, second? Yeah, second, okay, on YouTube, okay? So we're going to see what we're ranking on. That's not the right one. Okay. Let's go up. Okay. I don't know why it's not loading. There it goes. So on second on Google. Okay. And here's Postcard Lifestyle again. Okay. This is actual Google. And if we go to videos, you'll see more. But this is right on the front page of Google. So now we're going to try another recent video of mine. And look, there's Andrew Guthrie, #1, and I'm #2. Both of our team, okay? Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. See, we dominate YouTube and even Google. Make Money On with JJ, Make Money On with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle, Make Money On with JJ. These are all our team here. #1 short, Postcard Lifestyle. There's another Make Money On with JJ, and another Make Money On with JJ, and another Postcard Lifestyle, and another Make Money On with JJ. So substitute me with you, okay? You can do this. And here's the done for you DFY marketing system, okay? Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. #1 video, me. And there's another, here's sponsored ad. Sponsored, me. Another one. Another sponsored, then me. Andrew Guthrie, me. And then you could see, you can do this, okay? These are not, I'm not special. I'm just following the training day after day after day, and you see the results. I'm all over YouTube, okay? And there's Google. Guess who's the #1 video? Me. And then I have Instagram posts from JJ Solly, and I'll show you that this is really me. Why isn't it loading? Of course, life is gonna life. There we go. Okay. And there you have it. That's me right there. See? So I'm ranking with even YouTube posts, okay? And there's another Make Money with JJ. The top 4 spots in Google are me, okay? Now I want to show you some quick things real quick, okay? To show you I'm actually doing this every single day, and I'll be right back. Now here's the bonus I promised in the beginning. Engineered to remove the 3 roadblocks that kill 90% of online businesses. No traffic, no sales, and no duplication. With this in place, you're not just building a funnel, you're building a compounding machine that pays you while you sleep. And when you lock arms with me at the $25 level, you're not just buying access, you're stepping into a system that pays you daily on the exact steps to dominate any program and equips your team to win without leaning on you. Okay? That's how duplication becomes freedom. We will teach your people for you, okay? This is the Home Business Academy Premium Review. Honest pros and cons. If you're ready to stop dabbling and start compounding, the link is waiting. Don't wait. Every day you delay is compounding income lost. Act now, because this bonus is only available while I'm personally mentoring you and others. The choice is yours. Dabble or duplicate. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.